In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do the yacht event in Project Mujetsu. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The yacht event is a raid that you can access to fight him as a boss. So if you go over to the raids hub, you will be able to ready up, and on specific times, you will have access to the yacht event. Like I said, you will have to wait for specific times of the day or on the week for you to have access to it. If you go over to the raids lobby, you will be able to see the ones that are currently available, and you might be able to find the Yachi one. So as you can see, they have Yacht Ambush, and you will be able to join with up to 4 players or more to do this ambush and get the event going. So all that you have to do is stand on any of these platforms, you will be able to join the raid and try to do the Yacht event. Usually, just by joining the raid menu, you will be able to find it here on the raid hub. There are specific drops that you can acquire, they are very exclusive and they are good. And if you are curious about more information regarding these raids, I recommend that you join their Discord server. But for you to access the game hub, just click on this icon at the top left, go to game hub. You will see all of the options like I showed you in the beginning of the video, and you will be able to click raid. Once you click raid, ready up, you will teleport to the same place that I was just in, and then you can go over to the Yacht Ambush event. So just go over to any of these platforms, you can party up with more people if you want to do it together, and all of you will connect to any of these. You will also find Reaper Ambush, and you might be able to find a different one, but for the focus of this video, the Yacht Ambush, all that you have to do is go over to any of these green platforms here to join the event and get the raid going so you can try to defeat him and get the loot. I hope I was able to help you on how to do Yacht event in Project Mujetsu. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.